Do you have problems keeping the e-collar on your cat? When we got back from the vet, this e-collar looked like this. The problem was, he kept trying to take it off. Like this. When we put it on him, no matter how much we tightened it without choking him, he always took it off. Normally with cats, they don't try and take it off, is what I've learned. But because he had complications with his teeth removal, he kept trying to take it off. So our solution was to use his cat harness. Since it doesn't come off while you're walking them, we figured this was a good solution. So when we put it on him like this, we didn't have to worry about him taking it off. This was our solution to keeping our e-collar on our cat. I won't bother you anymore.
Alrighty then.
We're Nikki and Terry. Join our adventures as we just carry on. We love to travel and want to share our adventures. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos.